Welcome viewer to the course of Introduction to Computing. In this video you will learn how to copy, cut and paste a block of text and to learn how to drag and drop text. You will also learn about undo and redo commands and how to find and replace text in your document. So let's start with copy and paste command. To cut or copy a block of text, first of all select the text you want to copy or cut. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab. On the Home tab, here the cut and copy option are available, so you select the required one, or right click on the selected text. A menu will appear. The cut and copy option are also available here, so you can select the required one from here or use the shortcut key to copy or cut the text. To copy the text, the short key used for this purpose is Ctrl C, while to cut the text, the short key used for this purpose is Ctrl X. So let's this time right click and select the copy option. Now move to the location where you want to paste this text. Suppose I want to paste this text here. For pasting the text, go to the Home tab and you press this icon to paste the text, or right click here, use this icon to paste the text, or use the Ctrl V short key to paste the text. So this time press this icon on the Home tab to paste the text. So the text has been copied to this location. To move a block of text from one location to another location, the cut and paste method is used, but there is also an alternative method known as drag and drop method. So here I am going to show you the drag and drop method to move a block of text. So first of all, select the text, such as I selected this text, and now I want to move this text and put it after these bullets. So after selection, click on the selected text and move the mouse pointer toward the desired position where we want to paste the text. At the target position, release the mouse button. The text will move to the desired location. So here the text has been moved from the upper position to this one, and this method is known as drag and drop method to move the text. The undo and redo command lets you accidentally delete some text or an image from your document. The MS Word provides the facility to undo your most recent action. On the other hand, the redo command is used to reverse the last undo command. Both these commands are available on the Quick Access toolbar, or you can use the short key to apply both these commands. The short key for the undo command is Ctrl Z, while for the redo command the short key is Ctrl Y. Suppose I want to delete this image, but after deletion I think this deletion is wrong. So to cancel the deletion, press the Ctrl Z. But if you think this deletion is okay, so press the Ctrl Y to reverse the last undo command. So press Ctrl Y, the image is deleted. Searching for text in your document. Word has the feature to search specific word or sentence in your document using the Find feature. To use this feature, from the Home tab, click the Find command or use the shortcut key Ctrl F on your keyboard. So pressing this icon, the navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Now type text you want to search. Let's type word wireless. As a result, 29 results were found for the word wireless. All the words wireless are highlighted within the document. Replacing text in your document. MS Word allows you to change word or sentence using Replace option. To use Replace option, from the Home tab, click the Replace command or use the shortcut key Ctrl H on your keyboard. So press the Replace option. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. In the field before Find What, type the text you want to find in your document, while in the field before Replace with, type the word you want to use for replacing the find one. Let's search for a word problem. To replace it with a word challenges. Word will find the first instance of the text and will highlight it. If you want to replace it, you can click the Replace button or press the Find Next to leave it unchanged. You can replace the word one by one or replace as a whole by clicking the Replace All button.